it puts a certain pressure on me, syempre, to be a role model to my members as well. And that's a huge responsibility because there's 6 people, different upbringing, and you all know the story how we got together from the show. And at first we were competitors with each other. So alam ko na it's not an easy chemistry to build. It's something that we had to build naturally over time, and I think that's something na we have gained na naturally. We have this bond na we're together always and make fun of each other and we laugh together so loudly. Ayun, I love my members and this year has been very hard. I think you all are aware of the difficulty that Horizon has faced, and yeah, this year was very tough for us, and I hope that magtuloy-tuloy lang na mga anchors ay magbigay ng love and support, and we've always felt it from the start pa lang, and until now we still feel it. But yeah,